Ищи прямую трансляцию в телеграм-канале Топ Панч.
Here goes Carlos, who's still got the old explosive pace. May get a corner. Yes, he does. Brazil lead 2-0 on
Ищи
corner
прямую
kicks.
трансляцию в телеграм-канале Топ Панч.
50-50 decision, actually, and it's gone against Villisaniol. He hasn't got many goals for Bayern Munich either, but then he's a full-back.
Ищи прямую трансляцию в телеграм-канале Топ
He'll
Панч.
thump it. Yeah, I thought he would. He thumped it much too hard and nearly decapitated a cameraman.
Ищи прямую трансляцию в телеграм-канале Топ Панч. Ищи прямую трансляцию в телеграм-канале Топ Панч.
And across with Roberto Carlos. Cafu showed too much of
Ищи
the ball to
прямую
the opponent.
трансляцию в телеграм-канале Топ Панч.
Eventually gets his pass into Roberto. Ronaldo. Cafu.
Ищи прямую трансляцию в телеграм-канале Топ Панч.
Football supporters are very imaginative, both in the songs that they sing and in the clothes that they wear these days. And there are 6 Brazilians here with stars on their
Ищи
heads.
прямую
With the
трансляцию в
years
телеграм-канале
1958,
Топ Панч.
1962, 1970, 1994 and 2002, which just happened to be the years that Brazil won the World Cup. And the 6th member spelling out Brazil had 2006 on his head. I wonder.
Ищи прямую